Hey, I'm November and I'm here to help you create a 3D working clock in Unity. But before we get started, we need a 3D clock model. I found this one on Sketchfab and you can find it in the link in the description. So let's get started. I've imported the clock to the scene, and it's important that any model you download from the internet should have a hour arm, minute arm, and second arm to rotate them in a way that clock works. And now we create a script for the clock and name it clock and reopen it. You can set the script to either use your custom time or system time. Public transform hour arm, public transform minute arm, and public transform second arm to control the rotation of clock arms. Serialize field int custom second and custom minute and custom hour to set custom time, and public will use custom time, which is false by default, and date time custom time to store the custom time. Custom time equals new date time dot now dot year, date time dot now dot month, and date time dot now dot day, and custom hour and custom minute and custom second. And we don't need the update method. We create a new function, private void update arms, and we call this function every second by invoke repeating name of update arms and from 0, and call it every second. Invoke repeating is a Unity method used to repeatedly call a function or method at regular intervals. For example, in this script, we call the update clock arms function every second to update the rotation of clock arms. In the update arms, date time, current time, and if use custom time, if we want to use the custom time, then custom time is custom time dot add seconds 1. We add a second to custom time to update it, and then our current time is custom time. Else, if we don't want to use custom time, current time is date time dot now. We use the time of the system. And float arm rotation hour is current time dot hour mod 12 to make sure it's in 12 format time, multiplied by 30 plus current time dot minute divided by 2. Let me explain this better. We have two things affect our arm hour angle. The first one is hour time, and the second one is minute time. For the hour time, we should find how many degrees is every hour. Our clock is 360 degrees, and we have 12 hours. So every hour is 360 divided by 12 equals to 30. So every hour is 30 degrees. So for example, if the clock is now 2 o'clock, the hour angle is 60. The minute time is also the same. We should for it. How many degrees is every minute? Which we have 12 hours, and every hour is 60 minutes. So 360 divided by 12 multiplied by 60 is 0.5. So every minute is 0.5 degrees. Let's show you an example. We want to find the hour degree for 2:45. We know every hour is 30 degrees. So 2 multiplied by 30 is 60. And for the minutes, we know every minute is 3.5 degrees. So 45 multiplied by 0.5. And we add them together, and the answer is 82.5. Then we have our float on rotation minute. It's like the R rotation hour, but two things affect the R rotation minutes: the minutes and the seconds. I'll leave this one to you. Then float on rotation second. Current time dot second multiplied by 6, because every second is 6 degrees. And vector 3, hour vector, is a new vector 3 minus on rotation hour and 0 and 0. And the same for minute vector and second vector. And then let's apply the rotation. Hour arm that's local Euler angles equals to hour vector and minutes and second. And that's it. Let's test it. Let's try it first with the system time and assign the game objects. And it works great. Everything is correct. But now let's try to use the custom time, for example, 2:30, and check the use custom time and press play to see how it works. And again, it works correct. And we have done it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.